James Michael Gara. Oh, parang Dustin din pala to. James, how old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
15 years old! And how many years have you been riding?
Year lang po.
First year! Anong ini-expect mo for this season?
Health, magandang karera lang po at sana po health po at injury.
And no injuries, safe rides always, James? Parang, hindi ko alam kung anong mas bagay mo, James. Pero poging-pogi pa rin. Anyway, that's one of our junior racers. Now let's have on stage, Miguel Dizon! Miguel, very young looking. How old are you, Miguel?
12 po.
12?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so tall.
Kaka-12 lang. Nung nag-tryout siya 11, hindi kami naniniwala.
Wow!
But, he's a fast guy, no? Kahit 11, kaya he's here. Anong pakiramdam mo natanggap ka?
Ano naman po?
Parang di naman masaya. Charot lang. And then where's mommy and daddy? Are they with you? Nasaan? Miguel. Ayun, hi daddy, very supportive. And ano naman ang ine-expect mo now that you are in for the juniors class? During the racetrack, ano na yung mga napag-aralan mo during the training? Wala na.
Wala pa. Mag-upisa pa lang siya.
Marami pa yan.
You are from
Santa Rosa.
Santa Rosa. So, nakita niyo pa youth cup natin. Maraming mga province. So, we're very happy. Medyo nationals ang dating. Kasi may isa rito, lumipad pa.
Wow!
Para lang mag-join ng youth cup.
Okay. Well, before that, ladies and gentlemen, how about greeting a happy birthday to you, Miguel Dizon? Happy birthday! So, 13 ka na ngayon.
Thank you po.
Ay, 12 pa din siya. Sorry, 12 pa rin siya. Hindi talaga ako wala ang tangkad kasi. But anyway, happy birthday, Miguel. Congratulations as well. And completing our juniors for the Moto IR Youth Cup Super Series. Oh, we still have one more.